Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I am sharing carrot oats soup recipe. It is a very quick and healthy breakfast recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 2 carrots. Make slices of carrots and blend it. Add some water and make it a puree. Then cut capsicum and onion in dice shape. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic. Keep it on low flame so that the garlic will not burn, and keep stirring. Then add onion. Keep stirring the onion also. Let it cook for 5 minutes till the onion get soft. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper, then add 1 to 2 teaspoon red chili flake according to your taste. If you like more spicy, you can add more. Keep stirring the onion and all spices. Now add capsicum. Add 1 pinch of garam masala. I am making this soup spicy. If you want, you can avoid it. Add some water, like 1/4 cup of water. Now add the carrot puree and cook it with all the spices, onion and capsicum. Cook this for 5 minutes. Then add oats, I am adding 4 tablespoons oats. You can adjust the quantity according to your serving. Then add 2 glasses of water and mix it well. You can now keep the medium flame. Or if you want to make the thin consistency of soup, you can add more water. If you want thick consistency, you can add less water. Now add the salt. Then cook it and bring it to boil. To enhance our soup taste, add some chaat masala like 1 teaspoon. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tell me in comment if you like it or not. I would appreciate your comment and like. Also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in description. Once this soup start to boil, it's done. Then turn off the gas. Make it some more tasty. Add half lemon juice and mix it. My carrot oat soup is ready. It have thick consistency and I have garnished it with some carrot slices and sesame seeds. You can also serve it with some sauce. Thank you for watching this video.